The health of your vehicle is vital to keeping you safe. A vehicle health check ensures everything is working properly and will identify anything needing attention. There are several benefits of a health check, which include increased fuel economy. It allows you to maintain warranty protection. It protects against higher repair costs down the road. Improves overall safety of you and your vehicle, and gives you peace of mind. When we perform a health check, we provide you with a detailed report upon completion of the inspection. This uses a traffic light system to note the action required. Green means healthy, yellow indicates attention may eventually be required, and red indicates immediate action is advised. Now let's take a closer look at a health check in action. Of course, it all starts with a GM certified technician who will check all fluid levels and ensure they are at an optimal level. This is followed by an inspection of your oil and the cabin air filter. We'll check for tire wear and ensure tire tread is within a safe range, followed by a tire rotation, and while we're there, we'll perform a brake inspection. We'll finish the tire inspection by torquing the wheels and resetting the tire pressure sensors, if applicable. A health check is complete after every inch of your vehicle has been inspected. If we suspect an issue, we will send you a video identifying the problem and the recommended solution, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. When the inspection is complete, we provide a complimentary car wash and deliver your vehicle back to you after sanitizing all major touch points. And that's how it's done with OMS service. Thanks so much for watching.